And the record of the MNF is in front of everybody to see.
MNF record chu kan zawaya mu thein a oma tarlani na oma kan shevekani.
Rampant unemployment,
Na mu turat a om lawa unemployment na mulaw tam tak tu na yan oma.
complete failure to crack down on drugs,
Drugs kapturin tatsak na itog lawa drugs alware mema
250 young lives extinguished in 5 years.
mi zanhile som nga chuang drugs sawangin no pangte ten borala.
And at the same time, the MNF openly supports those that are attacking the idea of Mizoram.
Sutian ni lai chuan langsar takin India ni na sa ko zalen na le namtin zalen taka khom thai na chu do tu te chu langsar takin MNF ya na thopui a support me kani.
They have overseen a disaster in healthcare where they have failed to release the funds that belong to you.
Healthcare as trisel na lamani se kanchan votur healthcare lampang pek tur po mi puiten in sang zo lava.
And you can see the state of the infrastructure, the state of the roads in the state.
Kan infrastructure shang kan enin kan kong chiat zia te po kan huani.
From our perspective, it is very important that we place in front of the people of Mizoram a vision for the state.
Kay nila matang chuan poi mo kan ti em chu Mizoram mi puite tan hian mathlir kan chop turani ya. Mizoram state tan hian mathlir kan chop turani.
And we have a record to demonstrate that.
Chuan record kan nei boka atakin enge kan ti to ti hi atakin mu theina om boka ni.
Lengpui Airport in 1995,
Sangkat zakwa somkwa panga a Lengpui airport kan siama.
Rajiv Gandhi Stadium at 2010,
Sang ni soma Rajiv Gandhi Stadium kan siama.
Mizoram State Cancer Institute,
Mizoram State Cancer Institute kan siam boka.
Zoram Medical College, new land use policy in 2011.
Sang ni som pakata NLUP kan sem chuak boka.
So, I am not speaking empty words here.
Thu mai chau ka soi lawat ka kan ti te ni tu na khan karon soi ni.